Looking for the best drones under $200? To suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 1. Holystone HS175 DEERC. It's my pick for best overall pick, packed with cool stuff like GPS auto return, brushless motors, and a 4K camera. It's all about practicality without dealing with FAA/SL remote ID. The 4K ultra clear camera rocks a 110 degrees wide angle and a 90 degrees adjustable lens for top-notch shots. Plus the 5 GHz FPV transmission ensures smooth videos even in tricky conditions. And get this, GPS helps it fly back home on its own if its signals drop or it's low on juice, so no stress about losing it. With 2 batteries you get a solid 46 minutes of flight time. It's got user-friendly features like LUT hold, optical flow, and one-key takeoff SL landing, and the design is on point. Foldable fuselage for easy storage, weighs under 250 g, so no FAA registration needed. But wait, there's more. Enjoy smart functions like automatic tracing and following. Create custom flight paths and snap pics or vids as you strike a pose. Holystone HS75 DEERC is all about a practical and smart drone experience, perfect for beginners and newbies. Alright drone buddies, that's a wrap on our scoop for the best drones under $200 in 2024, but hold on, the adventure doesn't end here. Before you take off on your awesome drone journey, be sure to check out the links in the description for the freshest prices. We got your back. Did our video fuel your drone excitement? Smash that thumbs up button, and let's make the drone love rain down like confetti. Share this with your fellow aviators, and hit subscribe, plus ring that bell to stay in the loop for all the latest tips, reviews, and aerial awesomeness. Until our next video, happy flying high. Number 2. Contixo F22 FPV Drone. Here's my favorite pick because it is the best drone for photography enthusiasts. With its 2K Full HD Wi-Fi camera and 4K still image power, you can snap amazing pics or record cool videos mid-flight, giving you awesome views like first-person view FPV or bird's-eye view. The adjustable 120 degrees above wide angle means you can get all sorts of shots, and here's the cool part. It's got GPS smarts to make flying a breeze. The Contixo F22 can follow you automatically with follow me mode, and if it loses signal or power, just hit one key and it flies back to you. Altitude hold and headless mode make it even easier for you to focus on getting those perfect shots. Get creative with Tap Fly. Design your own flight path by tapping points on the app or make the drone fly in circles for some cool shots. It can transmit videos up to 750 feet using Wi-Fi, so you could get those epic aerial views. Plus it folds up and comes with a nifty storage case for easy transport. Number 3. SYMA Foldable GPS Drone. My top pick for best reliable drone with a 1080 pixels FPV camera. It's SE and classic black, weighs 4.50, perfect for beginners. The 1080 pixel HD camera and real-time Wi-Fi make for clear views and awesome videos. Share your HD shots on social media in a snap. Control it with the remote or SYMA AP for extra convenience. Try the flight path mode. Draw a rat on the app and the drone follows along, adding a fun twist to your flight. Thanks to optical flow positioning, it hovers steadily and takes precise shots. Safety first with low voltage protection, overcurrent protection, and 4 propeller guards. Your drone is secure for a smoother flight, plus 2 powerful batteries mean up to 40 minutes of flying time. Charging is a breeze with a modular design, easy features like headless mode, altitude mode, and one key to takeoff/L make it perfect for everyone, even kids or beginners. It's the ideal drone with a camera for a cool gift. Number 4. DEERC D10. Meet my top pick for the ultimate beginner-friendly drone. This bad boy comes in a sleek black design, weighs a mere 164 g, and is a breeze for anyone 14 and up to handle. But here's the kicker, it rocks a 2K video capture resolution, delivering crystal clear aerial shots that'll make your jaw drop. What makes the D10 a chum for beginners? Brace yourselves for user-friendly features galore. One key start/landing, altitude hold, headless mode, and speed adjustment. It's like the drone heard your wishes even if you're a total rookie or just a big kid at heart. And the 3D flips function adds a bit of thrill to your flights even if you're still getting the hang of it. But wait, there's more. Say hello to smooth FPV transmission up to 80 m, and instant social media sharing via the DEERC app. Need to jet off somewhere? No worries. The D10 folds into a neat backpack-friendly shape, plus with 2 modular batteries. You're looking at an epic playtime of 24 to 30 minutes, ready for the cool stuff. Waypoints flying and gesture recognition set the D10 apart. Draw your flight plan on your smartphone and watch the magic unfold. And get this, control it with a wave or a casual takeoff or landing command. For all you beginners out there, my vote goes to the DD10. It's got the features, it's got the style. Your drone adventures start right here. Number 5. DJI Mini 3 Pro. Hey there, check out my top pick for best budget-friendly aerial fun, the GM100, a mini drone in sleek black. It rocks a cool 180 pixels video capture resolution, perfect for seizing those epic moments in the sky. Plus it's got a 180 pixels HD 90 degrees adjustable lens for a wider view, so no detail escapes your gaze. Controlling this bad boy is a breeze with the RADCLO FPV app. Get real-time panoramic views on your phone or iPad. It's like having a bird's-eye view of your pocket. The altitude hole feature keeps things steady, and the one-key takeoff SL landing button makes it a cinch to operate. Trust us, the powerful engine and hover tech make this drone a standout. The package, oh, it's got you covered for outdoor adventures. With a slick carrying case, with two 800mAh batteries, enjoy up to 22 minutes of flight time, and there's more. Controller batteries, propeller guards, and spare fan blades round up the package. Whether you're a rookie or a pro pilot, this mini drone has it all. 360 degrees flips, gesture control, and more. It's your go-to for practical, reliable, and budget-friendly aerial escapades.